Everywhere you go, always take your personality with you, to borrow from that famous song about the weather. This is Werner, leadership career business coach, consultant, teacher, trainer, mentor, tormentor from time to time, inviting you to consider reaching out to me for some digi coffee or in-person coffee, online or in person, whatever dance format is available to us. Let's discuss the miracle of the Enneagram and how it can help you to discover the personality you've crafted since childhood to today. It can invite you in plain speech terms to accept the totality of your entire personality and to craft a developmental path towards integration, towards the divine dance, as coined by Richard Rohr, a prominent Enneagram teacher. The same, of course, is true for your team or your teams in your business, your non-profit organization, your government department, your corporate, your education institution. So reach out, scan the QR code, type in the bit.ly code, let's do coffee, let's get you and your team dancing, which means growing in character and competence from the base, the canvas of your personality, using the miracle of the Enneagram. Grow well.